Okay, here we are for our demo video on how good this thing works. This thing is a beast, and it was not expensive at all. So this was a big trellis, which is now reduced to that pile of firewood. And I cut all of it with this little saw. So what you can do, you have to let the saw get up to speed. Don't try to force it. And just let it eat. So now that that thing has decided it's done, we'll give it a push. Say goodbye. 100%. I totally recommend this thing. We have a little chainsaw that's on the end of our Husqvarna weed eater, and it's about the same size, honestly, but this thing is a whole lot more, I would say, precise. So I highly recommend it. Enjoy, and talk to you soon.
Okay, so this is the old one. It has a switch that goes back and forth, whereas the new one, you have to press and hold this button before you can pull the trigger, which is very difficult. It's a very stiff button, so you're not going to be doing this if you're left-handed.
Very quick, very efficient.